graduate school, there are a few key things that you want to touch on. So when you're writing your statement of purpose, basically you're going to want to start with talking about yourself, your interests, and what you've done with those interests thus far, giving a little bit about your academic background, right? And eventually basically ending that point on why graduate school is the next logical step for you. And in explaining that, right, you can talk about the specific academic accomplishments or achievements or things that you've done that are salient, okay? That's kind of what you want to talk about. So what are the key points about the things that you did perhaps in college or when you were working afterwards that you really want to use to demonstrate positive traits about yourself, right? And then after you've explained that, after you've sort of taken them through, this is who I am, this is what my interests are, this is what I've done, and this is why grad school is the right next step for me, then you want to talk about why that specific institution that you're applying to is the right fit for you. And that's going to require doing a little bit of research on the institution and really understanding why are they sort of the right school for you? What do they have to offer uniquely and specifically? Because you don't want it to look like something really common that could be sent to any university. It's not going to look very good.